Hey guys, so recently a friend of mine and we stopped to visit a guy we had met at a car show in Inverness, I believe. And anyway, he has a very cool shop, and if you're anything like I am, then you probably love interesting shops and garages as much as cars, trucks, motorcycles, and that sort of thing. But anyway, I'll let you check out his place. He gave me the okay to shoot some video, and he had a very interesting mix of collectibles and old signs and all sort of cool looking things. I hope you enjoy the video.